The seated spinal twist is one of the most healing postures. It cleanses the internal organs, improves digestion and elimination of waste. It stimulates all the abdominal organs and releases excess heat and toxins from the organs and tissues. Please remember to consult your physician before starting any new practice. Bend the right leg, let the knee face forward, and take the left foot over the right knee. Let the toes stay down, and you're sitting onto both sitting bones. Inhale, stretch the right arm up, and exhale, place the arm over the knee. As you inhale, lengthen through the spine, and exhale, start to twist from the belly. Inhale, lengthen the spine, exhale, twisting from the belly, then the chest and the shoulders just follow. Slowly release and come back out of the pose.